Hey, travel lovers! Welcome back to the channel, and today, we're exploring the hidden gem of the French Riviera. We'll start our journey at the picturesque Plage de Sainte-Claire and take a breathtaking walk along the Sentier du Littoral. And trust me, you don't want to miss this adventure of Lavandou. So, let's dive in. Lavandou, once a humble fishing village, has transformed into a charming seaside resort town. And its history dates back to the 19th century when it was known for its lavender fields, which gave the town its name. Today, it's a paradise for beach lovers, with 12 stunning beaches stretching along the coastline. The Sentier du Littoral, or coastal path, is a trail that stretches along the Mediterranean coast, offering some of the most spectacular views you can find. Originally used by customs officers in the 19th century to monitor smuggling activities, this path is now a favorite for hikers and nature lovers. But first, let us start with some facts about Lavandou. This beautiful town is part of the Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur region, renowned for its beautiful landscapes, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine. And with a population of around 5,500, this town swells with tourists during the summer months, drawn by its clear waters and golden sands. Did you know that the waters here are part of the Pelagos Sanctuary, a marine area dedicated to protecting marine mammals? In the 19th century, Lavandou began to transform from a sleepy fishing village into a more vibrant community. And the arrival of the railway in the late 1800s connected it to larger cities like Toulon and Marseille, making it more accessible to tourists and traders. Furthermore, Lavandou played a significant role during World War II. And the beaches here were part of Operation Dragoon, the Allied invasion of southern France in August 1944. This operation was crucial in liberating the region from German occupation. And the town and its surrounding beaches served as landing sites for the Allied forces, and remnants of this period can still be found in the area. After the war, Lavandou continued to grow as a popular tourist destination. So, the 1950s and 60s saw a boom in tourism, with the construction of new hotels, restaurants, and amenities to cater to visitors. Despite this growth, Lavandou has managed to retain its authentic charm and natural beauty. Today, Lavandou is celebrated not only for its stunning beaches but also for its rich cultural and natural heritage. And the town hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the Saint Pierre Festival, honoring the patron saint of fishermen, and the Mimosa Festival, which showcases the vibrant yellow blooms that dot the landscape in early spring. And here's a little secret. If you follow the trail far enough, you'll come across some hidden coves and beaches that are perfect for a quiet swim away from the crowds. And one of the best spots is the secluded cove of La Facette, and it is a true hidden paradise. The coastal path itself is a spectacular trail that runs along the French Mediterranean coast, offering some of the most breathtaking views you can imagine and connecting various towns and villages along the coast. And it provides a unique way to explore the region's natural beauty and rich history. As we are walking along, you'll notice the incredible biodiversity that thrives in this region. And notice how the trail passes through a variety of landscapes, including rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and lush vegetation. The Mediterranean climate supports a wide range of plant species, from aromatic herbs like rosemary and thyme to colorful wildflowers and resilient shrubs. And the section of the Sentier du Littoral near Lavandou is particularly stunning. And the trail offers panoramic views of the Azure Sea, with the sound of waves crashing against the shore providing a soothing soundtrack to your hike. As you continue, you'll encounter several hidden coves and secluded beaches, perfect for a quiet swim or a peaceful picnic. Along the trail, you'll also come across several cultural and historical landmarks. And there are ancient ruins, old fortifications, and charming chapels that offer a glimpse into the region's past. If you're planning to hike the Sentier du Littoral, here are a few tips to make the most of your experience. First, wear comfortable, sturdy footwear suitable for uneven terrain. And bring plenty of water, especially during the hot summer months. And protect yourself from the sun with a hat, sunscreen, and sunglasses. Finally, respect the natural environment by sticking to the marked paths and taking your litter with you. You may also take a map or a guidebook to help navigate the trail and learn more about the sights along the way. That's it for today's adventure along the Sentier du Littoral. And if you enjoyed exploring Lavandou and its stunning coastal path with me, make sure to hit that like button as it really helps the channel out. And please, leave a comment below and let me know your favorite part of today's journey. Have you been to Lavandou or walked the coastal path? Share your experiences and any hidden gems you discovered. Lavandou and the coastal path are truly special places, combining natural beauty, rich history, and a sense of adventure. And whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a peaceful seaside escape, this trail offers something for everyone. As we wrap up today's journey, remember that travel is about more than just the destinations. It's about the experiences, the people you meet, and the memories you create along the way. So, pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready for your next adventure. Who knows what incredible places and stories await you? Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey through Lavandou. And until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.